quick answer to a question I got today in my live. How soon may I renew my Jamaican driver's license? Do I have to wait until it's expired? No, you do not. You may renew your license 30 days before it expires. Another question I got, can I get a first-time driver's license overseas? No, you cannot. You would have to apply for your first driver's license in Jamaica. If you have a license already, say you drive overseas and you go to Jamaica and you want to get your first Jamaican driver's license, or if you're a non-Jamaican and you want to drive in Jamaica, you want to get a Jamaican driver's license, you certainly may. They may waive the driving test or they may waive the written test, but you may certainly get the license. You cannot get any first-time driver's license while you're overseas, whether Jamaican or non-Jamaican, for the simple fact you have to take the driving test and you have to take the written test, and you have to do that in Jamaica. All right, I am Gail of 876 Documents. I thank you for watching.